Howdy guys. So my car has been pausing a little bit before starting and got my battery checked out. Battery is not good. So I'm basically playing Russian roulette with my car. Talked to the guy at O'Reilly's Auto Parts and checked out some YouTube videos. Doesn't seem like it's gonna be too difficult of a task. The only thing I'm learning is that Ford does make things pretty difficult. I gotta take this sucker out and then do the replacement. So we'll see if I still have a car. But the first step is to take off these little clips and take off these windshield wipers. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna be getting this socket wrench. Luckily we have one that's bendy here. Y'all probably know what the technical term is. We're gonna put this sucker on. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. We gotta save this. And now the other side. All right, number 2. There you have it. Now we just gotta get this sucker off without breaking my car. It's gonna take a minute. And one thing I forgot to mention is be sure to know like where your windshield wipers are placed before you take them off, because when you put them back on, they can go a little wonky if you don't. This one. It's like slicing a piece of cake. All right, next task is to unscrew this. And this guy. Then we'll be able to take this off. Oh, I used a 16, by the way. To unscrew that. Okay. Nope, smaller. Less. Okay. So we are using the 1332. There we go. Quick little correction. In order to take the first cover off, you just need to take the clips off as well as the windshield wipers. This takes off the second cover. So I gotta use a Phillips screwdriver to kind of help prop these out. This is what the clip looks like. Hooks on, look. So we got all the clips. I do have to unscrew this, and then I can take this guy off. All right, so I'm gonna be, oh, damn. All right, so these screws require the T25. This is the only one that fit. So we're gonna unscrew that and take this guy off. All right. So that comes out and pops up nicely here. All right, so this is what it looks like with that top part off. Got to take out this bolt right here, not this one, and this one. And this sucker should come right off. Okay. Oh, slides right off, bro. Nice. Got it. So on the battery we have this little handle. We gotta take that handle off so we can take the battery out. So this is the battery. Just took off this screw. We got another one right here. The socket wrench, it doesn't reach it, so that's why I have to use this wrench. Thank God. Next, I gotta unscrew these and then remove the battery, clean this out, and put the new one in. Small enough, they went like this, and then pull it out. There. Be sure to take these two caps off before you connect everything. This kind of slips right over here. Alright, first cover, she's on. Gotta put screw here, and on that side. Then I'll put the second cover on. And windshield wipers. Then we'll be golden. Next, we gotta put these clips back on. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips are accounted for. Now we get the windshield wipers. All that's left is to screw these guys all the way on, put this clip back, screw this one, and then this clip back. Then reset the battery. All right, so everything seems to be where it needs to be in the car, so I'm taking that as a great sign. No leftover pieces, and now we just need to reset something and should be golden. All right, last step. I have to reset the system. I have to click the high beams, I think 5 times, and hit the pedal slowly 3 times. The battery light should pop up, and then the whole system should reset. From what I've learned, it is important to reset it because it is a new battery, and we want to make sure that it's just working together properly. All right, y'all. Moment of truth. Put the key in. Do not fully turn it on. We gotta hit those high beams 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the brake. 1, 2, and then 3. So we're gonna see if that light goes away. Okay, so I am going to turn on the car and keep an eye out for any odd signs, any odd behavior that my car is doing, and we'll see if the reset worked. Sometimes Ford, like, the battery doesn't always show like a flash if it resets. Ford's pretty inconsistent apparently, so like, Ford, get it together. But let's check it out. She turned on very well. I think we're good. I do have to, can't speak. I'm gonna be doing some more research, but I think we're good. Well, that was fun. I changed the battery all on my own, guys. Nice. So I am here at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Here we go. And they were actually able to reset the battery for me for free. I gave them my old battery. They gave your girl 20 bucks back. So y'all, your girl's just winning left and right. Overall, it's been a pretty cool experience getting to change the battery on my own. Shout out to Ignacio from O'Reilly's, selling me the battery and resetting the battery and giving me some really great information for the process. Thank you to my mama's boyfriend, Abel. He made sure, like, during the battery changing process that I didn't electrocute myself. So thank you guys overall, everyone watching. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. God bless.